Pike stretch seated forward fold with yoga blocks. The seated pike stretch with yoga blocks is a deep forward folding stretch that lengthens the posterior chain. Forward folds are very useful for improving hamstring mobility and increasing the range of motion in core compression exercises. To perform this exercise, you will need one or more yoga blocks depending on your mobility. Start in a seated position on the floor with the legs straight, the heels of the feet pushed together, sitting up on the tailbone with a slight anterior pelvic tilt. Contract the quads to pull the kneecaps up and push the back of the knees down towards the floor. Flex at the hips and reach the hands forward towards the feet. If you can comfortably grip the feet with the hands, you can start to increase the range of motion by placing a yoga block against the soles of the feet. Next, start using pulsing repetitions as you try to actively close the angle between the torso and the legs. Try to bring your chest to your thighs and bring your chin towards your shins. Use the arms to pull yourself deeper into the stretch. As the range of motion increases, you may need to add another yoga block. Perform the prescribed number of pulsing repetitions and then let go of the yoga blocks and try to hold an isometric contraction for the prescribed amount of time. Focus on contracting the hip flexors while holding the isometric contraction and try not to lose the range of motion gained.